Hey guys! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to show you how to grow your very own plants in Minecraft. We're about to start this amazing gardening adventure, inspired by the University of Florida's super cool curriculum for kids. Get ready to learn all about plants, have fun, and create your own awesome garden. It's gonna be just like building the coolest farm ever, but with real-life garden skills. Okay, so what exactly is gardening? It's like, taking care of living things called plants and helping them grow. It's so cool because you get to learn about science and nature while having fun. You know what's awesome? Garden-based learning helps kids get better at math, science, and even teamwork. It's like leveling up your skills in real life. Let's start with some easy plants for indoors. We've got herbs like chives and mint, yummy veggies like tomatoes and lettuce, and cute houseplants that are super easy to take care of. We can use containers, make vertical setups, or even try growing plants in water. Don't forget to keep everything safe for kids, okay? It's just like choosing the perfect spot for your Minecraft house, but for plants. Now let's head outside and check out different types of gardens. We can make raised beds, dig plots in the ground, or use containers. It's like choosing your own adventure. In Minecraft, we can build them all and see which one works best for us. Oh, and guess what? We need to follow a special gardening calendar for South Florida to know when to plant stuff. It's like having a real-life almanac for your crops. You guys, we can make the coolest gardens ever. We'll grow yummy veggies and plant flowers that butterflies and birds love. And here's the best part. We're gonna build a bean teepee. It's like a secret hideout made of plants. How awesome is that? Imagine having your own plant fortress in your backyard. What kind of garden would you like to create? Taking care of our garden is super important. We need to water the plants, make sure they get enough light, and keep those pesky bugs away. But here's a cool thing. In Florida, we can use special gardening tricks that are good for the environment. It's like being a plant superhero. Think of it as protecting your Minecraft world, but in real life. Did you know that plants can make you feel happy and calm? It's true. When we spend time in our garden, it's like a mini vacation for our brains. So not only are we growing awesome plants, but we're also helping ourselves feel better. How cool is that? It's like getting a regeneration potion, but from nature. What's your favorite thing about being in a garden? Okay guys, now it's time for some super fun DIY projects. We can make our own seed starter kits with pots, soil, and seeds. And check this out. We can set up cool lighting for our plants or use window clips to give them the perfect spot to grow. Here's an idea. Let's make a garden journal. We can draw pictures of our plants, write down when we water them, and keep track of how fast they grow. And for extra fun, we can make bird feeders, build bug houses, or create awesome garden decorations. Just remember to ask a grown-up for help when you need it. What kind of garden project would you like to try first? All right, everyone, it's time for you to start your very own garden adventure. Remember to be safe, have tons of fun, and learn all about the amazing world of plants. Thanks so much for joining me on this Minecraft garden quest. Don't forget to share your garden creations with us. See you next time for more awesome adventures.